Yo, what's up, guys? Lockout Man here. Check me out, man. Look, I'm like NASCAR on these tire changes, man. I mean, don't get me wrong, I ain't gonna toot my own horn, but I can knock out a tire change in like 2 minutes. Depending on what kind of car it is. Now, if it's like a big SUV or a truck, then of course it's gonna take a little bit longer. But if it's just a regular car, man, like I said, I can have the tire change in a hot minute. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Look me up on my YouTube page. Uh, Comments, share, all that good stuff. And thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it, guys. All right, check out these two quick tire changes I do. Holler at your boy. Okay, but I mean, if you want to be on the safe side, just take it up to the shop and have them to check all four tires. All right? You all set. You all, show your appreciation.